Today is a really cool day because I got my first drone. Yeah, so today I start again to make some new tests about skate, shoes, frame, wheels and everything. Today I just test also this Seagull frame from China that I received. It was actually very good feeling, and what I liked also, it remembered me all the years where I worked with Salomon to test new product, and especially frame where we work with the engineers to try to make the product better and better. So recently I also got some frame from Bont rollerblade. I will test them and make a report in the next video quite soon. It's really stiff, and it's 3x125mm with a length of 310mm, and the name is a Seagull, and it's made by Stainless Sport. Okay, it looks like it can be mounted on 165mm and 195mm shoes, so that's very good. It's not so many frames who can adjust on the two kind of shoes now. Okay, so with 310mm, it's probably like a 12.6 frame long, so it's good for speed legs. Much easier to turn also, so you can use it on the track. It's still good on indoor, and it's probably long enough to get stability for the marathon. So if you compare with another frame, you can see 165, 195 mounting space, compare another frame with only a 195 spacing, and so it's very good. You can use a lot of kind of shoes with it. You can also see it's quite wide at the front part, about the same as this frame in the front, but it's much wider at the back, and it's very good to get stability also. The more wide the frame will be on this part and this part, the more stability and control you get, which is quite good here for a 125mm frame. It's almost impossible to twist it. It's very stiff actually. Only one little problem with the frame I received: there is no axle. Normally it's really bad to put different axle from the brand you got it, because this little part is always different, and also this one, so it's a risk that one wheel gets stuck in a frame, or that I lose one wheel when training. Always use the axle from the same brand of the frame. So what's the conclusion for this frame? So far I think it's the best 3x125mm frame I used so far. So I will use this setup to keep skating at the moment. It's really strong, very good feeling. I like that the bridges are quite wide, it gives incredible stability, and it's one of the most stiff frame I test so far. Even I still have a lot more to test, some AO frame, some power slide frame. I hope it's coming soon, but I will skate on this at the moment. I don't have the price yet, but we should be able to find some information sooner or later.